Willkommen bei World Famous Foods. Heute wir machen Bratwurst mit Paprika und Zwiebel. Today we're making bratwurst with bell peppers and onions. Let's cook. Alright, so we're going to start frying our bell peppers and our onions. Okay, so peppers and onions looking good. We're going to take these out now. So now we're going to fry our bratwurst, probably for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright folks, our bratwursts are finished. So now, hear that? Oh yeah, they're done. Now we're going to add our green peppers, or bell peppers, onions back in here. Going to put some butter in here with this. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Now let this cook for a couple more minutes. Okay folks, oh yeah, look at this. Okay, so our bratwurst with bell peppers and onions are finished. We got our bread in the oven. Once they get warm enough, then we're gonna go ahead and plate everything. World Famous Foods. Okay, our bread is done, here we go. Our bratwurst on here. But I'm gonna put our mustard on here now. We only got some honey Dijon mustard today. It's okay. You guys can use whatever mustard you want. Then I'm gonna add our bell peppers and onions on here. Look at that, look at that. As I said, Ron Daniels, too bad, buddy. No free food today. Okay, folks, enjoy that. World Famous Foods. Bratwurst with bell peppers and onions. Oh, I forgot to say, Dankeschön.